In the previous video, we had talked about different types of services like table service. In table service, we have talked about Russian service, American service, silver service. So today, few more topic we will add. So welcome to our channel i2Talk India. I am Gautam Kumar. So guys, today we will know about few more service which are snack bar services. In snack bar service, this is a type of a small cafe where you can buy a small quick meal like sandwich, burger, pizza. I will give you an example. For this, there is a place like Domino's, Pizza Hut, Subway, KFC. So these are the places where you can get this snack bar service. Next we will talk about buffet service. In buffet service, there is a variety of food which is displayed on a table and you have to select the items which you like to eat. So these are the buffet service. Next we will talk about cafeteria service. In cafeteria service, we will get a meal on the counter and customer can come with their own meals. So these are the cafeteria service. Next we will talk about single point service. Single point service, in this type of service, guest ordered, pay for his order and get served all at a single point. So next we will talk about room service. In all the hotels you have already seen, you are in the room. I'm just telling you by the example this one. Room service. Now you have entered in any hotel room and you have ordered like tea, coffee from your room. The product which you get in your room, this process is known as room service. An employee will give you your ordered at room. So these are the room service. Next we will talk about mobile pantry. Mobile pantry program directly serves client in an area of high need in an effort to supplement other hunger relief. We can take an example. Just a few days back, we have seen about the condition of Bihar, Assam. These are the places where many very badly affected with floods. So that time, mobile pantry plays a major role to provide goods, groceries to the human who are suffering from their needs. So next we'll talk about automatic or conveyor belt service. In few of the hotels, you have seen or will see in the future, there is no need of a server. The food which you have ordered, it will come on a belt which is tied with your table and will get food through the belt. It will go around in all over the hotel so that it will very easy and there is no need of server to serve the food on your table. Next we will talk about robotic service. In other countries it is running, or in our countries there is few hotels who is doing or who is applied this service, that is robotic service. In this service there is no need of server. Robot will give you a service. They will show you a menu, they will give you a service of food, they will give you a bill to pay the amount. So in the few years, 1 or 2 years, robotic service will be very flexible and it will be everywhere. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share it, comment it and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video.